Oh, good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another interesting edition here. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you one of the top most searched question hits on the YouTube and internet. Hello, my compressor is engaged, but I'm not seeing any pressure. It's engaged, and there is no code air coming out of the cabin. But before I go there, if you come into my channel for the first time, do yourself a favor and subscribe to my channel. And you're going to be doing yourself a favor and saving yourself thousands of dollars in repair, because I'm going to be giving you a tip which you're going to be using to fix your car AC for free. Now here, I decided to bring one of the guy which you've been looking at to talk about that my clutch is engaged. So this is the clutch. And this is the pulley. In the original design, they're supposed to be rotating independently. But that comes once in a lifetime where this clutch has to marry the pulley and the boat has to spin together. And it does that with the help of power, 12 to 14 volts power going into the magnetic coil here. And when that coil is energized, it turns into a super strong magnet that pulls these two together and move it together. And when that happens, it starts compressing the refrigerant that is present inside the system. So with this very analogy here, you will understand that first, it needs power to actually energize the coil that is here, the clutch coil that is present here. And second, the clutch coil has to be healthy to energize and create a super strong magnet that's going to marry these two guys together. So if the power is not sufficient, then it's not going to marry. But if it's sufficient, then it's going to marry these two together. Then that is where the clutch is engaged. Under the condition that some other requirements, such as the refrigerant level, is at least up to 60 psi. On the both sides, that's the static pressure readings. The static pressure readings is what you get when the AC system has not been turned on. So there are more tips, some other teachings I'm going to be teaching you, like my clutch is still engaged even when I turn off the AC system. So if you want to know that, still turn on your notification and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, I hope you understand some of the factors that affect how this pulley relationship with the clutch. Now let's get to it. So the first one here is that what is the main reason why the clutch is engaged, but there is no pressure? First, on that very first note there could be no refrigerant present inside the AC system of your car. It needs refrigerant. And this guy here doesn't have to compress air, but the refrigerant. It compresses the refrigerant vapor, not the liquid. So you shouldn't make mistake. There are two different things. Though the refrigerant there, when you're getting this inside the system, it's in liquid form, but when it goes in there, it turns to vapor. So this is designed to compress the refrigerant vapor, and when it compresses it, and it passes out through this discharge into the condenser reduces the temperature, then it flows back into the metering device, TXV, then into the evaporator core, and then it comes back again into the suction. So this continues on and on. So you need refrigerant in order to do that. So you want to check for the refrigerant level before going further. The second reason why the clutch is engaged, or my AC compressor is engaged, and still there is no pressure when you're looking at it, is first, you have satisfied the first, which I said in the context of this very video here, that it needs refrigerant. So there is a significant amount of refrigerant present inside the AC system. And when that happens, and still there is no pressure, it could be due to a bad pressure plate. The pressure plates, we have two pressure plates here, one here, one here. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what the pressure plate looks like, and that the valves. So it could be that the valve and plate is defective. And when the valve and plate is defective, well, I'm going to recommend that you replace that compressor, because it's more like you're going to, you are gambling. So that compressor needs a replacement. And the third reason why the compressor is engaged and there is no pressure is that you could be having a bad clutch. Now, you might not understand what this means, but let me go ahead and explain to you. The magnet, the super strong magnet, when it clutch this guy together, is actually pulling this entire area, all right? Not this area. When you have a bond clutch, this rubber here is going to shred. I don't know if you guys have seen it. So in that situation, the clutch is bond. Here is cut, trying to rotate, but here is not moving. So in such situation, the compressor is not necessarily bad. It's a clutch that needed a replacement. Before you conclude on that, be sure that either the compressor is locked, and if it is locked, you can actually hold this shaft together and this rubber will get shredded. Let me show you a sample of a clutch that is damaged just in a moment. So this is a typical clutch. If you're looking at it like this, you believe that everything is fine, but no, this one is bad, and this is it. So when it gets bad, the super strong magnet is gonna hold this guy here, because this is where the clutch coil is supposed to be magneting with the pulley. So this guy here is going to be rotating, but this guy here is going to be stationary. So in such case, there's not going to be building up any pressure in your car AC system circuitry when you're watching with your gauge, and there is not going to be any cold air in a cabin, because it's designed, the whole structural framework of this is actually to work with this rubber here to be springable, right, to be able to hold this together with this and spin. But this is already a bound clutch, and so this is a typical case where you have the clutch is engaged and you're seeing here is spinning, but you're not looking at here, because most of the times this is what people are looking at, but it's the whole picture. So in such case, there's not going to be pressure building up, there's not going to be cold air coming out of the cabin. In such case, the compressor could be locked, or it has a black dot, and you might replace this and you solve the problem. Now the last episode there, where you have the clutch is engaged but there is no cold air, is that you are having insufficient refrigerant inside the system. Very much possible. The right quantity is required in order for it to work well. So in such case, the quantity is there to actually energize the clutch. 60 psi on a static pressure is okay, it's energized, but there's not going to be cold air coming out of the cabin. So in such case, just need to top it off. And the last one is there is leak inside the system. If there is leak inside the system, the pressure is not going to build up. You might be seeing some little kind of cold, you're feeling some cold sensation coming out of the AC system, but it's still getting cold enough, you're still sweating. So in such case, you could be having a leak, and that leak is where instead of creating the pressure and holding the pressure, it's leaking out. So you can see it right here. So this one is a good one, this one is a bad one. So guys, now the last one which I'm going to be using to round up this very episode here is when you're dealing with AC systems that are not working very well, you need to look at the whole picture. Like I said, the other side there, that if the clutch is engaged and it's not, let's say for this one here, there's every tendency, let me replicate what I taught you guys previously on this very contest here. So this is as simple as to understand how this system operates when the clutch is burned. So you have something like this, but you are looking at here. So this one here, the rubber is still a little bit stuck, but if I hold it here right now, you can see right now that this one is staying stationary, while the clutch, while this end part here and this one here is spinning. So that is technically what it does when it gets burned. So guys, I hope you guys find this very helpful, which I know you did, to resolving any problem relating to the compressor, clutch engaged, but there is no cold air, but there is no pressure. Remain Dr. Cool. To give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye for now. See you on the next one.